Hi and welcome. This is the first video showing me implementing my personal branding in order to be more successful in business and increase my sales in my business. Now I'm doing that in order so I can show you and other business owners like you exactly how to build your business, earn more money and be more successful in business. So in 2020 is the year that I work on my personal brand. So I'm going to get noticed, I'm going to be recognized for my expertise, and I'm not going to hide behind my business, and I want you to do the same thing. So I'll be showing you exactly how I do it. So first things first, I need to map out the way. I want to show my successes, my triumphs, but also what my epic failures are so you can save time and skip the ugly bits. I'm going to push myself, I'm going to push you also. And it might get sticky at times, but stay with me because there's a lot to be learned and there's things that you can implement straight away to grow your business and be more successful. What you need to do, we need to get in training, both literally and physically, if we're going to do this. So I have a plan which I'll share with you, and I'll show you what happens when I implement the strategy. So I'll be showing you exactly what I do, and then I'll be checking back in. I'll be telling you how it worked, what's the impact, what's my next steps, and how I would improve it for next time. I'll be asking industry experts as well to come on and interview them and share with us exactly what they suggest we do in order to build our businesses. So first things first, the aim is to firstly set things in place to support our goal. Once that's done, you can watch as I get to work improving my skills. I want to get my message across, so join me. Click like, comment below, share with your friends who might also be business owners that want to build their business, be more successful in business, and also build their personal brand. So it's part of the things that I think you'll need to do in order to grow your business and grow your personal brand are working on your public speaking. So you can speak in front of a small group on video or in a large group setting and be a communicator so people understand what you're saying, you can get your message across. So step one is I'll be working on that, and this is part of it. Speaking to the video on YouTube, on Facebook, speaking at meetups, going to Toastmasters, going to other sort of business meetings, and interviewing people to improve our public speaking and our communication. The second thing is copywriting, how to influence people to listen to your message and come along with you on the journey and buy into what you're trying to achieve and what you've got to offer. The third thing is content, posting to media platforms, being consistent and showing people what you know, being just slowly drip feeding things in order to get it out there into the world, what you know and what you can achieve and how you can help people. The fourth thing is interviews, interviewing industry experts, learning from them, and also disseminating that information out there in the world, and also aligning yourself with other experts. That's really important, and I think it's really effective. So I'll be implementing that, and I'll be showing you as well how to do that. The fifth thing, which is also related to public speaking, is doing video and using that as a medium to get your message out into the world and trying to get better at that. So obviously I can be better at it. I've just started, but that's what you guys are going to do as well. So we're all along for the journey, and I'll be learning more and more about how to do videos and maybe getting a little bit more assistance as well. So I might also speak to a few industry experts. Number 6 is paid advertising and paid boosting of content, showing you what works, what's effective, and what campaigns I've been implementing and why, exactly how to set them up. So they're things that you can implement automatically, instantly, and build your business, build your sales, build your personal brand that way. We'll be doing live streams, short webinars, educational webinars. We'll be working on Facebook. I'll be building my profile on other different channels, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. So a little bit of everything. And I'll be showing you how you can leverage one type of content and then disseminate that to a whole heap of different social profiles to get your media out there without doing heaps and heaps and heaps of work. So you're not spending your life slaving over social media. You want to be able to create it and use it over and over again. I'll be showing you how I'm building my YouTube channel as well, and part of the goal, well, my second goal is actually to build my YouTube channel, show you how I do it, which is part of building my business and being successful in business and monetizing that is the last step. And how I'll do that is I'll show you how to build your YouTube channel and then monetize that, how to make money from your success on YouTube as a business owner and a personal brand. I'll be showing you the website that I built and why I've built it the way I've built it. I'll be showing you my blog. I won't be going into depth about the blog. I'll probably get an expert to show us exactly how we build the blog. Some of you might already have a blog, but we'll get somebody in here who's an expert who can show us the key steps that you need in your blog to get ranked and also to get a public profile. And so you can also direct people from the media and from other places that you want to get recognition in, direct them directly to your blog. At the moment, I don't have that set up, and so I need to work that out. And you guys are probably in a similar position. We need to get your structure set up so then you can direct people to the right place and they can see what you are about, what you've achieved and what you're looking to achieve and how you can help them. And apart from that, I'll also be looking to get more public speaking and conference experience, and you guys should as well. Starting in March 2020, I have a conference booked and I'll be speaking there, and then from there I also want to use that as leverage to get additional public speaking gigs, and also to use some of that as a show reel to get more media. So that's a aim for me, and hence why I want to become better at public speaking, and that's why you should also want to become better at public speaking in order you can speak at conferences, get paid for what you know, and build your business and personal brand that way. It's a really quick way to get paid to build your personal brand. It's really important, and also that can lead into other media opportunities as well and joint ventures. And lastly, I'll be bringing in experts and also showing you how to get featured in well-known publications so you can quick start and magnify your profile and get instant expert status. So that's really, really going to be worth it. Even if you just stay for that, if only that will be enormous. So I want to implement all this learning. There's a lot happening, so strap yourself in. Again, next week, it'll be another installment of getting ready, getting these things set up. So I'll show you, you're going to keep me accountable because I'll show you what I've achieved during the week, what I've set up. I'm going to be setting up things like my public profile, Facebook page, my Facebook group, which you guys are welcome to join me. I'll put the details below the video here. And then also I'll be clearly setting up, or I've set up this channel, this YouTube channel, Instagram. Then I'll be starting to get the backbone of my website, the call to actions on the websites, and what I'm trying to achieve on the websites. I'll be giving you all of that and the strategies behind all of that. So if you build your personal profile, build your business, and have a fantastic 2020. So join me. See you next week for the second installment of building your business, being more successful in business, and growing your personal brand.